Hi, I'm Paula Romero and will be your tour guide Villalba. Introduction of the place. Visit Villalba Magical Destination of Colombia, located in the department of Boyacá, where they can enjoy all kinds of adventures and new experiences in addition to a temperate climate. Duration of the trip. The trip will last 3 days and two nights. In the first day, you can start by visiting the historical place what the town has, such as the Antonio Nariño House Museum, the Captain Antonio Ricaurte House Museum, and the Chocolate Museum. The next day, enjoy the Blue Pulse and all the street sports, and the last day you can go to enjoy the Gondava Dinosaurs Theme Park. Means of transportation. In this place, you can use those means of transport: car, bus, helicopter, buggies, ATV. Activities to do: visit the historical museum of the municipality, perform string sports, go to the Blue Walls, walls, enjoy the gastronomy of the regional, visit the Gondava Dinosaur Park. Places to stay. In this place you can stay the Hotel Villa Palmas, Casa Hospedaje Juan Castellanos. Typical food. Soup, soups, soups are traditional in gastronomy such as the corp, mazamorra, uchuco, ajiaco, boyacense casserole, chicha, fermented corn, guarapo. It is the drink prepared in the sugar cane, honey, and water. Cost: the package cost 700,000 pesos for two people, all inclusive, for 3 days and 2 nights. We will wait for you.